our newspaper, the Veritas, and we all have made it together. Group. We have
Nivedita Manna, Avira Banerjee,
Chandrani Mondal,
Akriti Yati, Lavanya Shah,
and Navya Kaur. So this is our newspaper. This is the one we made for our newspaper making competition. It's named Veritas, which means the truth. And the newspaper has 4 pages, as you can see. It has 4 pages. And it contains the front page, 2 pages of talk of the day, and then last page we have the editorial. The content is majorly based on the topics that we learnt in class, such as attribution, embargo, and what is news basically. And then the editorial, we have what makes news news. That is the ingredients, and that is what our newspaper comprises of.
Hello, we are the team Youngest Star. You are us. So on our first page, we have the definition and nature of news.
On the second page, we have ingredients of news, verification and attributions.
On the third page, we have the types of news, including the hard news and the soft news, and the components of news.
On the last page, we have 5 W's, 1 H, comprising of who, what, why, where, how, when.
Hello, this is Priya Dey and this is Philip DOG signing in. Everyone, this is the newspaper me and my teammate made. It's called Spirit DOJ. It covers the topic that we have learned in our DOJ first month class, such as what is news, structure of news, hard news, soft news, components of news, and the most important part which keeps every newspaper going, that is advertisements. Unlike other newspapers, we try to give this newspaper a little twist by adopting the gossip girl writing format. So if you read this newspaper, you know what I'm talking about. This is a newspaper that me and my friends have worked a lot hard on. So I hope you all like it.
This is Azuma and this is us presenting our newspaper The Lantern, where we bring light to the unspoken.
Hi, this is Jia, Mansi, and Shimmy.
We were given a task to represent the topics which we have studied till now in the introduction of journalism classes, and also we have present some examples for the people to understand it better.
Hello, our newspaper's name is Truth and Times. It was made by Ayushi Soni, Via, Navya Siroli, Payal, Khushi and Aisha Nagpal. Our newspaper's name is Truth and Times, and we tried our best to replicate the writing style of an actual newspaper, that is in columns. We used all of our handmade drawings. We made the headlines in colorful sheets. We've also mentioned stuff like this to make it replicate the most to a newspaper. We covered 8 topics in this. For each topic, there is a deep, meaningful, handwritten, hand-drawn picture and handwritten content in a style of columns. The topics we covered were hard news versus soft news, that is titled The Tough Side and the Tender Side. This is Balance and Fairness, the key to fair journalism, the use and the impact of internet, the 6 pillars of news, that is the 5W and 1H, the ingredients or the DNA of news is timeliness, proximity, prominence, impact, and that is the elements of news. Then we have attribution, that is crediting the source, and embargo, that is a time restriction, timely release of information. So yes, this was a newspaper titled The Truth and Times.